Rise and shine, my blossoming beauties. It is I, Rosemary Thornybush, and welcome to the 8th and final part in my LGBT flags makeup series. So if you want to know how to get this LGBT slash rainbow flag inspired look, just keep on watching. So first I'm going to take my hydrating primer, and I'm going to start putting it on my face and then rubbing it in. And fun fact, I'm actually filming this on the first day of Pride Month. So what an amazing thing. I'm filming the last video on the first day of Pride. But now I'm going to take my foundation in the shade 110, and I'm going to put it on my beauty blender, and I'm going to just start dotting it all over my face as well as my neck, and then just start patting on it to blending it in. And I'm gonna be honest, some of my foundation dripped on the actual side of it because I don't know why the fuck I was using my beauty blender with my other hand, because normally I use my left hand? I mean, from my perspective, it's my left hand, but from everyone else's perspective, it's my right hand, so I don't actually know which one it is technically. But, yeah, for this one, for some reason, I was holding the beauty blender for my right hand, from my right. Yeah, normally I do it with the left, so I don't know why I did that. Now I'm going to get my concealer, and I'm going to draw it all over my under eyes to cover up my bags, as well as putting some on dots on my nose, and then strokes on my forehead, and then apply it to other spots on my face to cover up freckles. Then I'll just get my beauty blender and then blend it all in. Now I'm going to go into my powder foundation, and I'm going to get a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to swirl that all over my face using swirling motions, and then use that as my first layer of setting powder. Then I'll get my translucent setting powder, and then do the same thing there with swirling motions. I don't know why I'm patting my face, but oh well. I don't know why I'm doing that. But now I'm going to go into my eye primer. So I'm going to take that and just dab the little wand thing on the center of my eyelids. Then I'll just get my beauty blender and then just blend it in. Now for my eyeshadow. So starting, I'm going to go into my Pure Imagination palette, and taking that metallic pink eyeshadow, I'm going to apply that to the outer crease of my left eye. Wait, no, my right eye, sorry, perspectives. Then I'll get my blending brush, and then just start spreading all over. I don't know what I'm saying. Go over it to give it more of a fade. Then I'm going to go into my Wahala 2 palette, and taking that matte hot pink shade, I'm going to blend that with the metallic shade on the outer section of my eye. Then I'll go back into my Pure Imagination palette, and taking that red metallic shade, I'm going to apply that to the my outer crease and blend that with the metallic shades. Then I'll go into my matte red color, and then apply that to the eyelid, the actual eyeball crease thingy, blend it with the pink. Jesus. Now I'm going to go into a matte orange color, and then apply that to the center of my eyelid. Then I'll take a matte yellow color, and apply that closer to the inner corner of my eye. Then I'll get a smaller brush, and then keep blending that yellow in, and then as well as drag it out to the other colors. I'll just use my blending brush and all that. Then I'm going to take a metallic yellow color, and I'm going to apply that to the outer crease and blend it with the other metallic shades. So, excuse me, same thing with that metallic orange shade. Then I'll go back into my red metallic shade, and then keep blending that along with the line in the outer crease. Then do the same thing with the pink metallic shade. Now I'm going to go into my Lumberland palette, and taking that gold metallic shade, I'm going to apply that in the inner corner of my eye, and then blend it with my blending brush. Wait, hang on, do I use my blending brush? No, I don't, never mind. Now I'm going to go into that matte purple color, and going on the other eye, I'm going to do the same thing with the other thing, but apply that matte purple color to the outer corner of my eye. In the outer crease, I don't know. It's late, and it's cold, I don't know what I'm on about. And same thing before, get the blending brush, and then fade it out. Then I'm going to go into that purple metallic shade, and I'm going to blend that with the other shade of purple in the outer crease. Now I'm going to go back into my Wahala 2 palette, and I'm going to take that matte blue color, and I'm going to apply that to the outer corner of my eyeball, and then blend it with the purple shades. Now I'm going to go into that lighter blue color, and I'm going to blend it with the other blue, and closer to the inner eye. Then I'm going to take that, is it turquoise or teal aqua? I don't know. I'm going to take that color and then blend that with the other shades of blue, getting closer to the inner corner. Now I'm going to go into my Just My Luck palette, and I'm going to start by taking this green metallic, no, I think that's a matte color, that matte green shade, and apply that in the inner corner. Then I'm going to take that metallic green shade, and I'm going to blend that with the other shade of green. Taking that same shade, I'm going to apply that to the inner corner. And then taking that lighter green, blend that with the inner corner color. And then I'll get that yellowy green metallic shade, and blend that with the inner corner as well. Now I'm going to go back into my Lumberland palette, and taking that iridescent blue-purple metallic shade, I'm going to apply that to the crease, and cut it with that shade among the blue and purple parts. Then I'll take that metallic blue shade, and do the same thing, but apply it only in the blue section. Then take that metallic green shade, and apply it to the green parts of the crease. And then just blend it all out with my fanning brush. Now I'm going to go into my eyeliner. So starting with my eyeliner pencil, I'm going to use that to underline my lower lash line. Then I'll get my eyeliner pen. I'm going to start with doing it on the side, and then just like... Okay, honestly, I fucked up my eyeliner again because I'm stupid. So just watch me fail eyeliner for the 50 millionth time. So after I fucked up my eyeliner, I went and had an emotional breakdown and tried fixing it up as much as I could. But now I'm going to go into my eyelashes. So I took my eyelash curler and just pressed it down on them. Now I'm going to go into my mascara, and I'm going to roll the wand on the top lashes, just roll it out like that. And then for the lower lashes, I'm just going to I'm just going to have it sit on top of them and then just roll them down. Now I'm going to go into that brown shade, and taking my angled brush, I'm going to use that to fill in my brows. And then getting my beauty blender, I'm just going to blend it out. Now I'm going to go into my contour. So taking that and that type of brush, I'm going to do backward and forward motions from the top of my ear, and then brush them all the way down to my iris. Next, I'm going to take my pink blush, and using that fluffy brush, I'm going to slightly pat on my cheeks to slowly apply the pink blush stuff, and then fan it out to blend it, and then that's it, really, with it. Next, I'll take my highlight, and using that small brush, I'm going to apply swirling motions on the center of my nose, upward and downward strokes on the bridge of my nose, and then apply swirling motions on the apple of my cheeks, as well as the center of my chin. Next, I'm going to take my burgundy shade lipstick, I'm going to use that to fill in my lips. Then I'll get my setting spray, and then the look will be complete. And you're done. Your rainbow flag inspired look is now complete. So this concludes my rainbow flag inspired look, as well as concludes this LGBT flagged makeup series for 2021. And again, I just want to say that if I didn't do your orientation or gender identity in this series, please don't take it the wrong way. I'm not trying to exclude or invalidate anyone. There was only just so many looks in 1 month that I could do. But next year, I will be doing this makeup series again, but this time with a bunch of other different things relating to gayness. Although I probably won't be doing 8 looks. Wait, is this 8? Yeah, I probably won't be doing 8 looks this time. I might do only like 6 or 5, mainly just because, like, I'm busy. Okay, and I don't just do makeup stuff as well. I also do other things, including like gaming as well as my life. So yeah, just keep that in mind. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this makeup series, and I'll be doing this again next year. So goodbye.
It's not okay to